Which one of the following statements is wrong? Option A, cyanobacteria are also called blue-green algae. This is a true statement. Cyanobacteria are often referred to as blue-green algae because of their color, which results from the pigments chlorophyll and phycocyanin. They are capable of doing photosynthesis and can produce oxygen as like the algae. So that means option A is an incorrect answer. Option B, golden algae are also called desmids. This is also a true statement. The single-celled biflagellates with two flagella are golden algae. The pigment fucosanthin and the use of oil droplets as a nutritional reserve define them. Now, desmids are sometimes referred to as golden algae. So that means option B is a true statement. So it makes it an incorrect answer. Option C, eubacteria are also called false bacteria. This statement is incorrect. Eubacteria are a large group of bacteria that are classified under the domain bacteria, and it is the most common and well-known bacteria. The term false bacteria is sometimes used and refers to archaebacteria, a distinct domain of microorganisms that are more closely related to eukaryotes than to true bacteria. So option C will be the correct answer because it is an incorrect statement. Option D, phycomycetes are also called algal fungi. This is a true statement. Phycomycetes are a class of fungi that are often called algal fungi because they share common characteristics with algae, particularly their simple, undifferentiated body structure and aquatic habitat. These fungi include species like Zygomycota, which includes bread molds and which are aquatic fungi. So that means option D is an incorrect answer. The correct answer is option C.